Hi all, I want to make some yam pottage. I've got half a tube of yam, some plantains, green peas, Maggi cube, chili flakes, and I've got palm oil. Now let's get cooking. So in a pot, I've cut the yam into pieces and the plantains. I've washed and cut them. I've cut them and I've washed them. So I've put them in the pot now. So I'm going to cover. I'm not going to add salt because I'm putting Maggi. So I'm going to cover now and I'll light the gas and start cooking. So it's on the fire now. It's on the gas. I've lighted the gas. So I'm going to cover and leave to cook for about 15 minutes. Just make sure you cook till it's soft, guys. So the yam and the plantain is cooked, very soft. So I'm going to add green peas now. So I've added the green peas. So I'm going to allow that to steam for about the next 2 minutes. So now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients, the chili flakes. I want it a little spicy, so I'm going to put it not too much. Yeah, that's fine. And I'm going to put the palm oil too. And I want it red. So that's great. Now I'm going to add the Maggi cubes. And I'm going to stir together. Going to mash so everything is combined wholly together. Wow, this is looking so nice. So guys, yam pottage is ready. So because I'm making for one, I use half a tube of yam. If you're making for 4, you can use 2 whole tubers of yam. If you're making for, let's say, 3, you can use a tuber of yam. It depends on the quantity of people that wants to eat the food. It's ready now. Let's munch. Wow, look at the gorgeous red color of the yam pottage. It's so lovely. See? And they stick together. which is what I love about yam pottage. Wow. Alright guys, enjoy at home. Try this at home. Wow, look at the gorgeousness. Just look at the gorgeousness of the yam pottage with green peas. Wow. This is wow. This is wow. Alright. Alright guys, enjoy.